Welcome to Chigos Rimogubike TV. Good news, there is hope and healing for sexual abuse survivors. Here is a list of organizations that you can actually contact in case you know somebody that was a victim of sexual abuse. These organizations, they can offer a range of services and offer medical evaluation. They can help in counseling. They can also as a support group. They can actually help in fighting the legal angle. If you want to go through the legal route to actually sue the perpetrator, this organization can actually help out. So I'm going to show the list of organizations. You can feel free to contact them. You can go on the internet, check out on them. You can get their contacts and actually call them. There is hope and healing for sexual abuse victims or survivors. These organizations help to offer a lot of services. Don't mind that some of them are written in Lagos. Most of them have branches in other states. We have the Sisiyara Foundation Lagos. We have the Mirabel Center Lagos. We have Stand to End Rape, Domestic and Sexual Violence Agency, Women at Risk International Foundation, Project Alert on Violence Against Women. You have the Media Consign Initiative. Please feel free to contact them. So we have the Women Rights Health Project, the Just Child Welfare Fund, Gender and Development Action, the International Center for Sexual and Reproductive Rights, Child Protection Network, Save the Children Nigeria, we have UNICEF, we have the Ministry of Women Affairs and Poverty Alleviation all over the states. They also help. We have the Medis Sans Frontiers organization provide 48 hours help for victims of rape. If they can come to the health center within 48 hours, they can offer a good range of health services. This organization are in most of the health centers in every state, at least 2 or 3 health centers in every state. So we also have the International Federation of Women of Lawyers, FIDA. They offer legal services. Last but not the least, we have the Medical Women Association of Nigeria. They are all over the states. So these organizations are support organizations that can help for rape victim or children that are sexually abused. Please feel free to contact them. We sincerely pray for hope and healing, recovery. Just know that you're not alone. We have people that are advocating against this heinous crime. Alright, see you in my next video. Kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.